Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change Buy It Now button text in Shopify. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, log in to your Shopify store. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to Online Store under the Sales Channel section. After clicking on Online Store, you'll be taken to the Themes page. Here, find your active theme, click on the three-dot icon, and then select Edit Code. This will open the code editor for your Shopify theme. Inside the code editor, go to the Filter Files search bar and type theme.liquid, then click on it. Once theme.liquid opens, click anywhere inside the code area and press Ctrl+F on your keyboard to open the search box. In the search field, type /head. This will highlight the closing head tag in your code. Now go to pastebin.com using your browser and copy the code provided there. After copying the code, return to your Shopify code editor. Place your cursor just above the head tag, right-click, and paste the code. Once the code is pasted, look for the section that contains the Buy It Now button text. You'll see text like "Hit that like" button inside the code. At this point, simply delete the existing text and replace it with whatever you want. For example, you can change it to Shop Now or any other text you prefer. After making the change, click the Save button at the top of the page. Once everything is saved, exit the code editor and go back to your Shopify store. Navigate to your Products page and open any product. As you can see, the Buy It Now button text has now been changed to your new custom text. And that's it. So that's basically how you can change Buy It Now button text in Shopify. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.